Family Guy creator Seth McFarland began his animation career in 1995 at Hanna-Barbera, a job he landed mostly due to a senior project at Rhode Island School of Design called Life of Larry, which was, in essence, the precursor to Family Guy. Jump ahead 4 years when on January 31st, 1999, McFarland's Family Guy premiered on Fox following Super Bowl 33, making McFarland the youngest executive producer in all of television at the tender age of 24. While the show was the first animated series to be nominated for a Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Comedy Series since the Flintstones did so back in 1961. There seems to be a long-running feud between the creators of Family Guy and the creators of South Park, The Simpsons, and King of the Hill. Apparently, the other creators' feelings about the Family Guy crew has been described as hatred. Wow, who knew? A few other Family Guy fun facts. It takes about a year to create one episode. Obviously, they're working on multiple episodes at the same time. Secondly, Lois, Peter Griffin's red-haired wife, was originally supposed to have blonde hair. And finally, how old is Quagmire, the Griffin's insane bachelor neighbor? Well, in an episode that aired in 2008, it was revealed that Quagmire was 61, which if you do the math means he's now 76. Giggity. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, to learn how to draw Peter and Lois Griffin, as well as hundreds of other drawing lessons.